Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting up roles: healer, buffer, and heavy damage dealer. Once positioned, apply Taru Kaja and Rakukaja to raise damage and survivability so your openings matter. Make sure you have SB items and 2 full heals ready. Use them before HP gets critical. First action should be an exploit or a multi-target skill that staggers or knocks down minions, because gaining the early turn advantage lets you control the flow and reduce incoming pressure quickly. You now shift to consistent exploitation. Once you identify a weakness, chain attacks that exploit it to build the enemy's weakness meter. If minions are present, eliminate them first because they interrupt combos and drain resources. Focus area skills or multi-hit personas work best. Keep applying Tarunda or Rakunda to reduce damage taken and interrupt powerful enemy moves with guard breaks or status like freeze or sleep. Once the main target is staggered, prepare your strongest skills and persona commands to match. You finish by timing your burst for the staggered window. Hold your most powerful area and single target skills until you've staggered, then unleash them all or baton past the offense to your top DPS. Make sure to conserve SB so you can recover or reapply buffs in the final phase. If the boss revives adds or regenerates, react fast. Use a revive item or respite, reapply debuffs, and clear adds before resuming the burst. Troubleshoot by retreating once to heal if the turn order becomes hopeless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.